That's your hammer? Oh.
He's gonna hit his finger. That thing's gonna bounce back up and hit him in the face.
Be careful.
Gentle. I know it's not supposed to be a hammer, but. Hey.
What is that?
Say tape measure.
I can't open it. You open it. There you go. What is that? You got it. You can open it. There you go. Say hi to the camera. Hayden. Hayden. Say hi. Say, I love you. Love you. Say bye-bye. Hey, to the camera. Hayden, to the camera. Say bye-bye.